Hi guys, look at how big this drone is. Looks like a helicopter. God knows what it does. But wow, I think it's for pesticides or something like that. I'm gonna try and get somebody to discuss this with me. It's well, apparently I think it's high-end engine solutions. Hi. Let me get someone to explain this. Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
I'm not too bad, thank you. I don't mind if I'm recording for my business. Yeah. Can you just explain to me what this drone does?
This drone is for product application for spraying. You can applicate like any kind of pesticide or insecticide with it, and it's also good for greenhouse shading.
Okay.
So you can like paint the top of the greenhouses. So
It can paint?
Yeah, paint. So it
right.
won't penetrate that much
Okay.
the inside. So it's like water-based paint.
Okay.
So it will dilute it by the rain.
And how long does the battery last for on this thing?
The battery lasts for around 15 minutes.
50.
15.
15. 1.5.
Yes, 1.5.
Is it because it's so big? It doesn't.
Yes, and the tank will be empty in 15 minutes.
Okay.
If you're spraying with it.
And what sort of hectarage does it cover in 15 minutes if you are spraying pesticides?
In 15 minutes, it covers up to like 2.3, 2.4 hectares.
2.3, 2.4 hectares. And how much does it cost?
Around 19,000 euros for a complete set with 4 batteries, a charger, and a drone.
19,000, yeah?
19, yeah.
And if you were to ship this to Zimbabwe, how long will it take to get there?
I think around 3-4 weeks.
3-4 weeks?
Yes.
Okay. So, yeah, thank you for that information. I'll tell you what we do, what I do. So basically, a business for farmers, a farmers platform. So we help farmers with markets, we help farmers with training, we help farmers with tools, machinery that they can't buy or that they want to rent out. So this is why I was asking about this, because we do have drones, but then the drones that we have are smaller. This is quite big.
Yeah.
This is really, really big. Now, I'm thinking, obviously most of our farmers won't be able to buy this individually, but we could actually rent it out to them.
Yes.
Which is a solution for them. What would your thoughts be?
Yeah, it will be nice for renting and for service providing also.
Yeah.
We also have like partners who are doing that.
Okay, and in terms of this 19,000 euro, normally how do you guys take payment? How do you accept payments? Do you have payment terms, or do you say you want to get payment up front?
Yeah, upfront like a deposit of 30% is needed at least, between 30 and 50%, and the other need to be paid before shipment.
Okay, so we've, sorry, do you want to introduce yourself?
Yeah, my name is Benjamin and I'm the International Account Manager for ABZ Innovation, and we are here at Logistica Expo.
Yeah, so this is Benjamin. So we're going to take Benjamin's contact details, and then I'll contact you farmers, whoever wants to rent out this machinery, which is obviously a really big sort of like drone. It does quite a lot. I'll state down what it does and everything else, and I'm going to take down his business card, okay? So it's been a pleasure, Benjamin.
Yeah, it's been a pleasure.
And
Thanks for that.
I'm going to take his business card and I'll share with you guys. Thank you.